Hi, Alex. Quick handover on Mrs. Peterson in bed 3. She's been a bit of a challenge this morning. Her vitals are stable now, but she had another episode of disorientation around 0600.
Oh, not again. Was it similar to yesterday's confusion?
Very. She was agitated, trying to get out of bed, insisting she needed to feed her cats. We had to gently reorient her several times. The night staff had reported similar episodes, though less intense. The doctor's reviewing her medication chart, particularly the new opioid pain relief she started 2 days ago. We've also noted a significant decrease in her fluid intake since yesterday evening.
So Mihira, possibly drug-induced delirium or dehydration. It's hard to tell sometimes.
Exactly. We're pushing fluids orally, but she's quite resistant. Her family mentioned she often gets confused when she's not at home, even for short trips. This extended hospital stay is likely exacerbating her underlying cognitive frailty. She also has a mild UTI we're treating, which isn't helping her mental state. I've placed her closer to the nurse's station for easier observation, and we're using familiar objects from home to try and ground her. The primary focus right now is ensuring her safety and managing her acute confusion, which seems to be multifaceted. We need to reduce potential triggers for her disorientation.
Got it. So, constant vigilance and environmental adjustments.
Precisely. And ensure she completes the course of antibiotics for the UTI. The doctors are still exploring the exact cause of the increased confusion, but we need to address all potential contributing factors.
Hey Mihira, I know hearing all of this at once can feel like a lot to take in, but I promise you we're going to figure this out together. Managing this really comes down to creating a daily routine that protects your body. Your medications are a huge part of that. They're specifically chosen to take the pressure off your kidneys and keep your numbers stable. We'll also need to keep a close eye on what you eat and drink. I know fluid restrictions and diet changes can be frustrating, but they really help prevent extra fluid from building up and straining your heart and lungs. The same goes for your dialysis schedule. Staying consistent with every session is what keeps those toxins from building up in your system. Sticking to this plan is the absolute best way to protect the kidney function you have left. When you stay on top of the meds, the food, and the schedule, you're going to feel so much better, have way more energy, and, most importantly, keep yourself out of the hospital. It's a lot of adjustments, but you can do this, and I'm right here to help you through it.